Mercedes-Benz just recalled rearview camera software issue. So if you back up, a lot of these vehicles, it's standard now. You get yourself a little rearview camera so you don't run over the neighborhood cat. Well, the camera is connected to the technology of the situations of the software goings-ons, and there is an update. So if you have, let me get specific. Again, guys, get onto nhtsa.gov. You can get your latest menu of recalls. Technology will bring a massive amount of recalls. It is what it is.
It always will.
Don't badmouth the manufacturer. Well, they make the car. It should be perfect. No, man, stuff's going to happen. And what's really cool for you as a consumer, a lot of this is just software updates.
That's true.
So like Tesla, we talk about it. Tesla has the over-the-air update. You don't even have to see anybody. Your car just updates just like your phone. You download, boom, boom. Your phone now has ability to do whatever they updated it for. Same with your car. That's pretty cool stuff.
So what's the hottest one?
Let's see what they say. Just yada, yada, yada camera is going to be a problem. It's funny. Well, not really funny how they make these recalls, because we reported, in fact, that YouTube video's up, the GMC Envoy, going way back to 2012?
Headlights, right?
Headlights too bright.
Yeah.
And I heard, because we kind of made fun of it, like, okay, who cares if it's too bright? But it's, I guess you don't want to blind. I have not seen these Envoys.
Me neither.
So GM at that time had one complaint, and it wasn't too bright. It was aimed up, like there was an adjustment issue. And more than likely, that individual driving probably hit something.
Right.
And is complaining.
Or adjusted them themselves.
But these recalls are safety. Rear camera systems are safety. A lot of you think, okay, well, that's convenient. It is. But it is safety.
Yes, it is.
Because we're not paying attention. Up in the morning, bagel, cream cheese, you're all getting ready in the car, and you don't look behind you.